Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Windows 10 password. Click Start, Settings. Click Accounts. Click Sign in Options. Click Change. Type current password. Type new password with password hints. Your Windows 10 password changed successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.